Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a real short video, just explaining and showing the process of this El Camino. It's all dirty right now, but it's going to get washed and it's going to get sanded for that clear coat that's coming, that flow coat. Let's begin. So real quick guys, I want to say that thank you. This last video was a success, a lot of views. Thank you very much. Also, I want to know if you guys want to see the sanding of the El Camino that I'm gonna flow coat. This is you already saw the doors, you didn't see the hood. Let me show you the hood up close. Right there. This is a couple of days of drying. It's dry, and had a couple of comments saying that it was gonna look nasty or it was gonna look bad the following day. Well, there it is. Looked like a mirror. So hey, to each his own, man, but there it is. I just want to know if you guys want to see the process of me sanding this the actual El Camino, so that gets ready for the flow coat. If not, I'll just don't record it, but I'm gonna sand it down completely and flow coat it. I also have the tailgate ready to go. I'll be painting it probably this Friday, so if you guys want to see that video, just let me know in the comments, guys. It's gonna have that light blue on top with the darker blue on the bottom, and that is gonna get painted all the way to here. I'm not gonna paint the inside because it's gonna get that Raptor liner, that lining that they're gonna be spraying on the entire bed of the truck. So if you guys want to see this, just let me know in the comments, guys. And this is gonna be it for this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and leave it on the comments if you want to see it. All right, thank you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.